Hey guys, welcome back with another training video. In this video, we'll talk about how you can turn on or enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone or iPad. It's a very simple process, and you can do it easily on the latest iOS 26. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone or iPad and make sure you have an active internet connection. If any VPN is connected, simply disconnect it. After that, tap on General, then select Software Update and make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS 26 version. Once updated, go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and you'll find the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it, and under the Apple Intelligence section, check if it's turned off. If it is, simply turn it on from here. After enabling it, go back and restart your device. Once restarted, Apple Intelligence will be successfully enabled on your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device. If this method doesn't work, you can try downgrading your iPhone and then updating it again to the public beta version. Also, note that Apple Intelligence is currently supported only on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and 16 series devices. If you're using an older model, this feature may not appear on your device. That's it for this video, guys! For more helpful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.